Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Today, we're transforming leftover pork chops into 5 mouth-watering dishes. Let's get cooking! First up, we're traveling to the streets of Singapore with these spicy Singapore pork noodles. Grab those leftover pork chops and give them a good chop. The smaller the better for soaking up all that amazing sauce. Cook your noodles according to the package directions. In a sizzling hot wok, whip up a sauce with 1/4 cup soy sauce, 2 tablespoons chili paste, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon grated ginger, and 1/4 cup chopped green onions. Toss in the chopped pork chops and let them soak up all that goodness. Finally, add your noodles, give it a good toss, and cook on medium-high heat until everything is piping hot and coated in that incredible sauce. Next up, we're transforming those leftover pork chops into a restaurant-worthy pork and mushroom ragu. Rough chop the pork chops, then sauté them in 2 tablespoons of olive oil until golden brown. Add 1 cup of sliced mushrooms and let them caramelize. Pour a blend of 1 cup of tomato sauce, 1 diced onion, and 2 cloves of minced garlic over the pork and mushrooms, bring to a simmer, then cover and let it cook on low heat. The result? A rich, flavorful ragu perfect over pasta, polenta, or mashed potatoes. Sweet and sour pork, better than takeout. Get ready for a flavor explosion. Marinate the pork chops in 1/4 cup soy sauce, 2 tablespoons vinegar, and a touch of sugar. Prep a colorful mix of 1 cup bell peppers and 1 cup juicy pineapple chunks. Cook the pork chops in a pan until golden brown, then add the bell peppers and pineapple chunks. And there you have it, a plate of sweet and sour pork that's bursting with flavor. Pork fried rice, from leftovers to takeout king. We're about to transform those leftover pork chops into a mountain of flavor. Dice the pork chops finely. You'll need about 1 cup. Chop up some veggies, peas, carrots, about 1/2 cup each, onions, whatever you've got on hand. About 1/4 cup. Heat up the wok, scramble 2 eggs, then push them to the side. Add the diced pork chops and veggies, stir fry until the pork is cooked through and the veggies are tender crisp. Finally, add 2 cups of cooked rice, season with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and toss until everything is heated through and coated in that delicious sauce. Cheesy pork casserole, ultimate comfort food. Get ready for the ultimate comfort food. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Shred 2 cups of leftover pork chops. Cook 2 cups of pasta to al dente. Whip up a creamy sauce with 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, 1 cup of milk, and 1 cup of shredded cheese. Season with salt, pepper, and any other herbs and spices. In a greased baking dish, combine the shredded pork, cooked pasta, and creamy sauce. Stir to coat everything in that cheesy goodness. Sprinkle the top with 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs and bake for 25 minutes until bubbly and golden brown. And there you have it, folks. 5 incredible ways to make your leftover pork chops the star of the show. From spicy noodles to cheesy casseroles, we've got you covered with deliciousness. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more delicious recipes. See you next time.